Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Matt. I'm making spaghetti bolognese. So spaghetti bolognese is a meat-based pasta dish. It's very simple, very easy to make, and it's also a favorite thing of mine that I make for my girlfriend. And this is for her, so happy Valentine's Day, Chelsea. Okay, let's get started. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to chop up an onion first. So we need our mirepoix. This is traditionally an onion, some celery, and some carrots. So I'm going to start by dicing up one whole large white onion. And then we're going to get 2 or 3 sticks of celery. I'm going to dice that up nice and fine. And we're going to peel and finely chop 2 large carrots. Don't try and drop it like I did. Okay, and then we've got our mirepoix, so onions, celery, and carrots. This is a base for any good dish. Try and cut that a little bit smaller, like I did with the carrots. It's probably a little bit too big. You want to get some olive oil over a pan, over low medium heat-ish. Get that all nice and hot. Get your wooden spoon out. And chuck all of your veggies into the pan. Get those onions cooked through, get all the veggies nice and soft. Should probably take about 5 minutes depending on the amount of veggies you've got. And then go in with your meat. So I picked 500 grams of beef mince. You want to go sort of towards the non-leaner side, so it's about 80% beef, 20% fat, and I also went with a mixture of pork and veal mince for the second batch there. This is totally dependent on how much you want to cook. You want to do is put that all in, give it a mix, crush up the mince, get it nice and small, and halfway through the cooking, I'm going to get a bottle of wine. I'm going to pour myself a glass. I get a good white wine, something you normally want to drink. Cheers. A little taste, make sure it's good. And you want to go in with probably about a cup of white wine. It's not going to make it taste like wine, it's just going to give it a really nice flavor. Cook that out, and then you want to add a tablespoon of tomato paste. This is going to give that really rich tomatoey flavor to the vegetables. It's not going to be too sour or too sweet or too tart. It's going to be nice and roasted. Make it taste like it's been cooked for 2 hours. And then in with all of the passata. So I picked 2 400ml, 500ml bottles, or 250ml, 500ml total. Chuck that in. If you've got some Parmesan cheese rinds, that's a really nice optional extra. It's going to add some nice cheesy flavor to the sauce. Now basically this sauce can cook for anywhere from 45 minutes up to like 4 hours. This is something you can kind of just set and forget and pop the lid on, trap all that steam and heat inside, and yeah, just let it go until you're ready to cook your pasta. I'm going to pop that on the back burner so we can cook our water. Make sure you don't spill water on the flame like I did. Chuck in a couple bay leaves. Again, it's going to help impart like a really nice herbally flavor. Get lots of salt in that water once it's started to boil. Like really salty, tastes like the sea. And dump in all of your spaghetti. Spin that down so it gets all cooked through. Then basically, like 5 minutes before it's done cooking, I forgot to record this, but chuck in some milk. Then you want to add your salt, pepper, and herbs. So some parsley, oregano, some thyme, basil, etc. Then just drain your pasta and then you're ready to serve. This is really out of focus. My camera didn't record this properly, but should look something a little like this. Top it off with some Parmesan cheese, freshly grated if you've got it. If not, then anything else is fine. And dig in and enjoy. And like I said, this one's for my girlfriend, Chelsea. This is one of her favourite things that I cook for her, and I love cooking for her, and